Hey guys, good morning. So today is Monday. We're gonna start off a fresh vlog week. We're gonna be on it, okay? You know I got a long week ahead of me. So yeah, we're gonna hurry up and get up out of here. It is 11:22 and we gotta go, you guys. So this is my outfit for the day, a black two-piece set. You guys, I am back to losing weight, so I'm so happy. That quarantine weight, it gotta go, y'all. It just she has to go. So alright guys, so my pack just came from Amazon. But I really want to share with you guys what's in this one, because if you are looking for self-care, you know, manifesting, learning about yourself and just growing as a person, what's in here, you're gonna want to know what it is. Alright, so next I bought, this is for my babes that love designer shoes like myself. So, or if you're thinking about getting your first pair of designer shoes and you want some tips, these are called shoe bottoms. These are basically premium shoe protector soles that are used for your red bottoms to basically protect your investment, protect your money. So this is how they look. Okay, I'll show you guys when I do it how I put on my sole protectors. But so if you ever decide to resell your shoes, you can get them for close to retail price because the bottom's not damaged, because that's where the value is. The value is literally on the bottom of the shoe. My last and final thing is a book that I got, and I have some really great friends who always give out amazing advice, and they suggested that I buy this book, so I finally did it. And it's called Set Boundaries, Find Peace, A Guide to Reclaiming Yourself. This is by NEDRA Glover TAWWAB. Hopefully I said it correctly. And she is a Black author, so this is very, very important to me. And I believe she is a therapist. In the Black culture, we really do not do therapy, and it's always this thing, if you have a therapist, you know you're crazy, you know, things like that. Like, you don't have to go to therapy because you're crazy. You can have a lot of other things going on in your life to be seeking therapy for. If you're interested in just, you know, getting introduced to the book to see if you like it and it's something that you need in your life personally, then I will leave the link for that as well. Yeah, so I did get up and go to the grocery store this morning because I needed some things, some good, some bad, some unhealthy. So please ignore. Look, girl, if you from Chicago, you know about them noodles, you know about noodles. So I also got these extra hot flamin' hots. You guys are so freaking good. I have some ahas. These are caffeine sparkling waters. I bought some bananas for me and my rabbit because she loves bananas. I also got some stuff to make my bruschetta. Now, this isn't the baguette bread that you're supposed to get. This is actually artesian, I believe. Yeah, artesian Asiago bread. Bought some Ritz Bits Cheez-Its. Got some coffee. I was looking for my favorite yogurt bars, but they didn't have them, so I just settled for some Good Humor strawberry cake. Woo, girl, these these will get you through it, okay? These are so freaking good, you guys. This is for my rabbit. This is her kale. This is not for me, but I did get some avocados again for my bruschetta. I got 2 things of soup. I got some plums because I needed plums. Love plums. Got me a garlic clove and a little treat for myself. These are the champagne bears. They do have a ton of flavors. You can find these at your local Mariano. Alright guys, so I'm gonna make me a little lunch snack. If you guys know, I mentioned I love making bruschetta, so these are like my ingredients. drawers.
You said 10?
That's it. You see the names? No, these is not it. Here we go. Alex drawers. Which color is this? Oh, this is black brown. I'm looking for white. It said they had a few. Yeah, so I'm at Ikea and I've been looking for these Alex drawers. And
You wanted the Alex?
the white ones?
Where's the Alex drawer?
Yeah.
Oh.
He's like up in the shelves. Got my white Alex drawer. Super happy. Took me forever to get one of these, but I got it.
Whoa, whoa, yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you punks, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib and sometimes
So I'm about to move this into my closet and start rearranging, you know, my closet or whatever, so I can get some organization in there.
this in between us is not like a store, this isn't a closable gap, hey. I see some niggas attack and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Yeah. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? In the trenches, relax. Can you not put that little boy in the clothes? We do not listen to rap. We in Atlanta, I buy her wig. You telling me Tay is the best. Pointed at you, act like a killer, but you only work from the neck. I'm like the baby, I'm not just a rapper. You play with me, you gon' get straight.
Alright, so I'm just gonna finish cleaning up this closet. Seeing if there are a couple of things that I want to get rid of because, you know, it's spring, so I might as well spring clean a little bit. I need to wash my face. You know, I feel so dirty after I do something like really like major and heavy, like putting together stuff. So yeah, I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.
Party still bleeding, my niggas still eat it. Like yo, they look like the garden they eat it. Pillow talk with them, she spilling the tea. And then Shawty came back and said she didn't mean it. It's hard to believe it. I know that they at the crib going crazy down.
So you guys, as I was getting ready to co-wash this hair, I noticed that on this particular hair tag, they have an inspection report. I've never seen this, and yeah, I read through it. I mean, it's interesting to know, but yeah, I like how they actually have an inspection report that they do. I am just going to use some SUBURBS almond shea butter moisturizing conditioner to co-wash it. So I am up and getting ready. That's my phone. My friend, I know she's probably texting me right now right now asking where I am, but yeah, no, I'm gonna be on the way. So I'm just wearing some all black blue jeans belt. You know, found my little Virgo necklace. I had been missing this. I found it, y'all. Y'all know we did my closet yesterday, and you know, it looks better. You know, this is kind of what I'm doing for now until I figure out what else to do with everything else that's in this closet. I'm gonna co-wash the hair. It's fully dried, everything. So I got my little makeup thing for when she finishes my hair. I'm just gonna do a little bit of makeup.
Waking up in the crib and sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't pay that nigga sounds in this party. I can't even listen to that.
Hey guys, so I have made it back home. Today was super crazy. As you guys saw, I was getting my hair done, and yeah, my friend actually took a frontal class and I was her model, and yo, she did such a great job. Like, She did such a great job today. I'm gonna leave all her information as usual down in my description box. Yeah, it's my friend's birthday weekend. Say hey. She got some boo. So y'all don't know my
2 weeks
pleasure.
late celebrating, but it's still a lituation.
Okay, definitely is. All right, hold on, let me focus. All right, don't look too hard at my makeup, y'all. I'm gonna hold y'all back a little bit because it's messed up right now. I had to go to work. So yeah, so we finna get ready. Finna do some makeup. Yeah, guys, so we finna get ready to get dressed and everything. I ain't gonna get copyrighted with this music. But yeah, so I will see y'all in a bit. Oh, my makeup looks a mess, but it's okay though. Where the charge at? Alright, here you go. She got all ready for us. Hey, yes. Thank you. Cheers to the redo. Okay, period. Okay, you guys, so I am trying to hurry up and get ready as usual. So this is my outfit by 723. Guys, really cute. Love it. So I don't know if they still have this outfit, but I will leave a link for it in my bio so you guys can try to get it. And then this is the purse that I'm carrying. Y'all seen this before in the haul though. So yeah, we gotta get out of here, y'all, because we already running late. I'm gonna show y'all my friend outfit when she get ready. Let me taste it. Did you taste it? It's good. It tastes like, it low-key tastes like vodka and lemonade or some shit. This is definitely some vodka. Yeah. Y'all, she finally got this menu she was crying about.
Take a picture of me with my menu.
I am.
Everybody else. Who I am? There's only one I would probably have you ate. The rest of them I don't like.
This is like a Pornstar Martini. Pornstar. Oh, it's really good. It's like a blood orange in there. It's really good. Let me message Ashley. Let her know.
Bitch, bye. Let me stand up so you can get a good look.
Yes, hi. You looking bomb. Yes. Yes. I love it. Okay, sir. Okay.
I don't think she can do that here. Girl, that was fake ass pork. You know.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.